Hi. Um, I haven't been to practice in like a hot minute, and I don't exactly know exactly what I want to do. I'm not feeling too cash money, not feeling too confident in myself, both body wise and just like physicality. So I guess come work out with me. Feel free to make fun of me. Yeah, just make fun of me, please.